So let's students, we are going to discuss about the various cell organelles. Before starting the cell organelles, we are going to talk about the cytoplasm. While we observe a temporary amount of onion peels, slightly or very little stain we can observe, and this very little stain or this region, it is called as cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is the fluid content inside the plasma membrane. It also contains many specialized cell organelles. Each of these organelles perform a specific function for the cells. Semi-fluid ground matrix contain inorganic and organic substances. Cytoplasmic streaming and membrane-bound cell organelles are absent in prokaryotic cytoplasm. Inclusion bodies, mesosomes, and chromatophores are seen in the cytoplasm of prokaryotic cell. Mesosomes are the invaginations of plasma membrane into the cell in the form of vesicle, tubule, and lamellae. Mesosomes help in the formation of cell wall and DNA replication. Chromatophores are seen in photosynthetic bacteria and cyanobacteria. They contain pigments such as bacteriochlorophyll, bacteriophytoplankton, and carotenoids. Inclusion bodies are storage granules that lie freely in the cytoplasm. They are of two types. First one, organic inclusions, cyanophycein, starch granules and glycogen granules. And second one, inorganic inclusions, that means phosphate and sulfur granules. Let's talk about the eukaryotic cytoplasm. In eukaryotic cytoplasm, the cytosol or cytoplasm has cytoplasmic matrix differentiated into an outer ectoplasm and an inner endoplasm. Cyclosis is the streaming movement shown by the cytoplasm. The cytoplasmic matrix is composed of minerals, sugar, amino acid, tRNA, nucleotides, vitamins, proteins, and enzymes. Several cell organelles such as nucleus, Golgi complex, mitochondria, peroxisomes, lysosomes, plastids, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, centriole, etc. are present in eukaryotic cytoplasm. Now let's talk about the nuclear organization. Robert Brown discovered nucleus in 1831. The nucleus is a controlling center and contains chromosomes which form from the genetic material. In prokaryotic cell, nucleus is without nuclear membrane and hence the nuclear material is in contact with the cytoplasm. DNA is single and circular and large. The nuclear material is called nucleoid. The nucleus is not membrane bound. The genetic material is in the form of double circular DNA molecule. It is also known as prokaryotic chromosome. The circular chromosome is connected with plasma membrane by mesosomes. The proteins are associated with this mini chromosome. Now let's talk about the eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic nucleus is separated by a well-defined nuclear membrane. Few eukaryotic cells such as mature RBCs and sieve tubes in higher plants do not possess nucleus. Cell with a single nucleus is called mononucleate. Example, majority of plants and animal cells. Cell with two nuclei is known as binucleate. Example, paramecium. Cell with many nuclei are called multinucleate. Striated muscle cells. Polynucleate cells in animals are called syncytial cells, while polynucleate cells of plants are called coenocytes. The nucleus usually lies in the center of the cell, but its position also depends upon the metabolic state of the cell. Glandular cells have basal nucleus. In embryonic cell, the central nucleus is displaced later. In adipose cells, the nucleus is peripheral. Shape of the nucleus is dependent on the shape of the cell. It is spherical in cuboidal cells, ovoid or elongated in columnar cell, disc-shaped in squamous epithelium, bilobe or multilobe in WBCs, C-shaped in vorticella, etc. Size of the nucleus is dependent upon metabolic phase of the cell. and also volume and amount of DNA, proteins, etc. Structure of nucleus. It is a typical nucleus consists of nuclear envelope or karyotheca, nucleoplasm, nucleolus and chromatin network. Now let's talk about the nuclear envelope or karyotheca. Nuclear envelope is a double membrane with outer and inner nuclear membrane separated by a perinuclear space. It consists of nuclear membrane, perinuclear space, nuclear pores, annuli, central granules and fibrous lamina. Nuclear membrane. The two nuclear membrane, each one has trilaminar structure which is about 7 to 8 nanometer in thickness. Outer membrane communicate with the endoplasmic reticulum. Inner membrane associate with fibrous lamina on its inner surface. Next, perinuclear space. It is about 10 to 70 nanometer space between the two nuclear membrane filled with fluid similar to the fluid of endoplasmic reticulum. Nuclear pores. These are perforations of the nuclear membranes. Next, annuli. Annuli are electron-dense rings or cylinders around nuclear pores. Annulus and nuclear pores together is called pore complex. Annuli act as diaphragm and pore complex acts as selectively permeable membrane. Next, central granule. If present, it is in the pore complex. And last one, fibrous lamina. The inner surface of inner nuclear membrane shows fibrous material representing a honeycomb pattern. It is mainly composed of acid protein. The function of nuclear envelope. It separates the nuclear material from cytoplasm. It is connected with nucleocytoplasmic exchange of necessary material and provides the surface area for attachment of endoplasmic reticulum. Outer nuclear membrane gives off vesicle which fuse with each other and form endoplasmic reticulum. Second, nucleoplasm. It is transparent, semi-solid, granular and slightly acidophilic matrix within the nuclear membrane. It also called nuclear sap or karyolymph. Chromatin thread and nucleolus remain suspended in this ground substance. It contains nucleic acid, proteins, enzymes and materials. Third, nucleolus. The spherical acidophilic body was first discovered by Fontana. The nucleolus is large. Oocytes, neurons and secretory cells concerned with protein synthesis contain large size nucleoli. In sperm cells, muscle cells and blastomere, which are non-synthetic, smaller or no nucleolus is seen. Number of nucleoli may be 1, 2 or 4. The four chief components of nucleolus are amorphous nucleolar matrix, nucleolar associated chromatin, fibrils and granules. The nucleolus appears as dense body without a limiting membrane. It has coiled filament called nucleolonema, which is embedded in the matrix. Next, chromatin material. Chromatin material is the genetic material consisting of DNA, nuclear protein such as histone, non-histone and RNA. Chromatin material is seen in two forms, that is heterochromatin and euchromatin. Heterochromatin has large amount of RNA and small amount of DNA. It is genetically inert. Euchromatin has large amount of DNA which is genetically active. Small repeating units of or nucleosome are seen in chromatin. Chromosomes are formed from chromatin during cell division. They are visible only at the time of metaphase during cell division. In eukaryotic cell, distinct chromosomes are seen, while in prokaryotic cell, nucleoids are seen. Chromosomes have the ability of self-replication. They play an important role in heredity, variation, mutation and evolution of the species. Now let's discuss about the function of the nucleus. Nucleus controlling center of the cell metabolism. It is the site for the synthesis of DNA, RNA, and ribosomes. It plays an important role in the protein synthesis. It passes on the gene to the next generation through chromosomes. It contains all genetic information necessary for growth and development.